So, friends, now we are on the white keys. Second exercise of the white keys, right? The first was about dinosaur. Now it's on my clever pup. All right. Again, it starts from the middle C. Both the thumb finger or the finger number one should be on the middle C. And here, this music starts from the right hand. Right hand, which goes like this: C, D, or 1 1 count. E is 2 count. 1 2 or 3 4. Easy to understand is da 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 da. That sound is very important. Okay, the music goes like this. Now let's start. First right hand, then the left hand, and you can repeat it again. All right, because the two dots before the thick bar and a thin bar says to repeat it again. Right, let's start. One, two, ready and go. C, D, E, D, E, F, C, C. Now, here, the previous exercise we learned C, D, E, and here C, B, A. Here one more letter is added to both the hands respectively. So here the F is to be played by the ring finger of your right hand, and G is to be played by the ring finger of your left hand respectively. These two notes are added in this exercise. Thank you. We will see you in the next exercise. Bye.